Hi, in this video, I'm unboxing and showcasing the Steelseries Arctis Nova 7P, the final shape limited edition headset. Inside the collector's box, the headset and the additional accessories are placed in two separate boxes, along with some cardboard fillers. There's also a gift card included. This model received the P designation because it's compatible not only with computers and mobile devices via Bluetooth, but also with PlayStation consoles. Inside the box, I found yet another extra, a cardboard figure you can assemble. Underneath it, you'll find the user manual, the remaining cables, and the wireless receiver. The product itself comes in a fabric pouch, though in my opinion, this is only for packaging and not suitable for transport. For that purpose, I'd recommend purchasing the dedicated carrying case. Before use, make sure to remove the protective layers from the headband and microphone. After that, the headset adjusts comfortably in every direction to fit your head. The microphone can be retracted and includes a mute indicator light. There are two volume controls, the main volume and the side tone level for microphone monitoring. The headband is flexible, provides good support, and can be adjusted. The ear cushions are made of fabric, which is a good choice for extended use, but does not offer great noise isolation. If you prefer, original Steelseries leatherette ear cushions can be purchased separately. The 2.4 GHz receiver unit has a pairing button and a status LED. 3 different cables are included: a 3.5mm jack for wired use, a standard USB-C for charging, and a USB-C extension cable. For wired connection, make sure to plug the marked end into the headset. Wireless use is a bit more complicated. This USB splitter here represents a PC. To charge the device, connect it with the included USB-C cable. But for the receiver unit, you will need the second cable as well. Additionally, the cable is stiff and tends to pull the small receiver down. In my opinion, a better solution is to set the second cable aside and get a USB-C adapter, like the ones Steelseries includes with their mice. With that, you can use the receiver with just one cable, and the extra weight makes the receiver more stable too. And remember, if the headset runs out of battery, just unplug the cable and you can charge it right away. Now let's take a look at the booster pack. It contains 2 side plates and a headband, which can be easily replaced. The device has a balanced sound profile, but this, along with many other settings, can be customized in the Steelseries GG app.